What's up guys, Flesh Jody here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a teleport part in Roblox Studio. Just like that, teleports. So yeah, how to make it. First thing you need to do is make sure your Explorer and Properties are enabled. So go to the View tab at the top, make sure Explorer and Properties are both shaded grey. So next thing that you want to do is insert a part. So as you can see, I've already done it. Up the top there, just click on the block, or if the block isn't there, press on the arrow and click the block right there. Now actually it doesn't need to be a block or anything, it can be whatever you want it to be. And now go to your properties, click on it and then go to your properties, and then make sure that Can Collide is turned off. So look up in the filter tab, Can, and turn it off, and make sure that it is anchored like that. So once you've done that, name it whatever the hell you want, doesn't matter. It can be called part 1, it could be called dog, cat, doesn't matter. Call it whatever you want. And then press and click on it, press Control C and then Control V and then drag it to wherever you want. But then name that one Destination Part, just like that. Now, once you've done that, go back to part 1 and insert a script, not a local script, a script. And then when it opens, get rid of everything that's on it and then insert this script. I'll leave this script in the description of this video so you don't need to write it all out. Now, assume you've done it all right and you've got part 1 of a script that has that script in it, and you've got destination part, should all work. So let me go test it and let's see if it works. So assume you've done everything right, you've spelt destination right, should work just like that. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video guys. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.